Many women use coconut oil, olive oil, and jojoba oil to gain a healthy hair that they dreamed on. But only a few of them know the benefit of grapeseed oil for their hair. Here, we discover for you the health benefits of grapeseed oil for hair. The reasons why you must using grapeseed oil for your hair. The first reason, it is so inexpensive. Compared to commercial hair oils, grapeseed oil surely is an inexpensive one. You can save up to 40% of your hair treatment budget if you use grapeseed oil as your hair treatment tonic. Compared with the health benefits of olive oil on hair and skin, it will be a lot cheaper. The grapeseed oil protects your hair from moisture loss. The best thing about grapeseed oil is it has large amount of linoleic omega-6 fatty acid, just like the health benefits of hemp oil. The study tells us that it is great for your hair, which can protect your hair from moisture loss and dry clap. The grapeseed oil is so light. Compared to jojoba oil benefits and health benefits of olive oil, grapeseed oil can make your hair looks healthy. If you have tried olive oil and makes your hair too heavy, you should try the grapeseed oil, which can be a perfect solution for your hair tonic. The health benefits of grapeseed oil for your hair. Here, we discover for you the health benefits of grapeseed oil for hair. 1. Reduce dandruff and dermatitis. Dandruff and dermatitis mainly caused by the flaky scalp, dry, which can be treated by using grapeseed oil. The emollient in the grapeseed oil can help the growth of healthy hair skin cells, just like the health benefits of papaya leaves. To use it, just apply it to your hair and leave it for 15 minutes for the better result. 2. Strengthening your hair. The grapeseed oil contains antioxidant and vitamin E, which can build tissue, and also the linoleic acid, which is great for hair growth. It can be a perfect solution for you who have brittle hair and want to restore its shine and strength. To use it, just massage your scalp with a heated grapeseed oil and leave it for 20 minutes for the maximum result. 3. Makes your hair easier to style. The grapeseed oil has linoleic acid and antioxidants that are great to keep your hair's moisture. A dry hair is a lot heavier to be set, while the healthy one is easier. In this case, by keeping your hair moisture, a proper and regular treatment with grapeseed oil will make your hair a lot easier to be set and style. Sponsors link how to apply grapeseed oil. Use it as a sealant. Depends on your hair type. Grapeseed oil can be a great sealant after you wash and conditioning your hair. You can apply to damp hair and lock the moisture of your precious hair. As hair moisturizer, grapeseed oil ideal for enhancing your hair moisture. Just mix it with a little bit of your daily moisturizer to enhance your hair moisture retention. For dry scalp, linoleic acid is perfect component is grapeseed oil, which can help against moisture loss if you apply to your skin. It consists of 70% fatty acid, which is so great in alleviating dry scalp hair. Grapeseed oil as a hot oil treatment. You can mix grapeseed oil with another oil as a treatment to your hair wash. Surely, you will be surprised by the result of how good a grapeseed oil for your hair is.